In this video, I'm going to show you how to add water in SketchUp in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're creating a pool, a lake, a pond, or just want to make your model look more realistic, adding water can instantly improve the overall look of your design. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to create the surface where the water will go. To do that, draw a rectangle or any closed face in the area where you want the water to appear. This could be the inside of a pool, the top of a pond, or any flat surface you want to fill with water. The important thing is that SketchUp needs a face to apply the water material onto. Once your surface is ready, the next step is to open the materials tray. Go up to the menu bar, click Window, then select Default Tray, and from there choose Materials. This will open the Materials panel where you can browse different texture categories. In the Materials tray, look for the drop-down menu and find the Water category. SketchUp includes several water-style materials, and this is where you'll be able to choose the look that best fits your project. If you want something simple and clean, a texture like Water Pool Light is a great place to start. It gives a nice realistic water effect without being too distracting. After you've selected the water texture, it's time to apply it. Click on the face you created earlier, and SketchUp will fill that surface with the water material. If needed, you can click and drag or simply use the paint bucket tool to make sure the texture covers the entire face properly. At this point, your model should already look much more realistic, but you may notice that the water appears too dark or too opaque. That's completely normal and it can be adjusted easily. To make the water look more natural, go to the Edit tab inside the Materials tray. Here you'll see settings for the selected material, including opacity. Move the opacity slider down if you want the water to look more transparent and realistic. A lower opacity usually works better for pools, shallow water, and decorative scenes because it lets the surface look lighter and more natural. If you want, you can also experiment with different water textures and opacity levels until you get the exact look you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how realistic your SketchUp model feels, and that's it. You've now added water in SketchUp and adjusted it to better match your scene. This is a quick but powerful way to improve presentations, architectural visuals, and 3D design projects. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy SketchUp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.